Windows play a crucial role in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. For homeowners in Houston, where extreme weather conditions and fluctuating temperatures are common, ensuring your windows are in top shape is essential. But how do you know when it's time to replace them? Here are the top signs it's time for a window replacement in Houston homes. High energy bills. One of the first signs that your windows may need replacing is a sudden or sustained increase in your energy bills. Old or poorly insulated windows allow hot air to infiltrate your home during Houston's sweltering summers and let warm air escape during colder months. This forces your HVAC system to work harder, driving up your energy costs. If you've noticed an unexplained spike in your bills, your windows might be the culprit. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows should open and close smoothly. If yours are sticking, jamming, or refusing to budge, it could indicate warped frames or failing mechanisms. Over time, Houston's high humidity and intense heat can cause window frames to expand, warp, or rot, particularly in older wood windows. Replacement windows with modern materials like vinyl or fiberglass are more resistant to these conditions. Visible damage or decay. Inspect your windows for visible signs of damage such as cracked glass, rotting wood, or peeling paint. These are not just cosmetic issues, they can compromise your home's energy efficiency and structural integrity. Broken seals or foggy glass with condensation between panes are also signs that your windows are no longer performing effectively and should be replaced. Drafts or cold spots. Do you feel a draft when you stand near your windows, even when they're closed? Drafty windows indicate poor insulation, which can make it difficult to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. In Houston's climate, this can mean your home stays uncomfortably warm in the summer and struggles to retain heat in the winter. New, energy-efficient windows are designed to eliminate drafts and keep your home comfortable year-round. Excessive noise pollution. Living in a bustling city like Houston often means dealing with street noise, traffic, or even airplanes. If your windows do little to block out external noise, they might not have sufficient insulation or proper sealing. Double or triple pane windows with soundproofing features can significantly reduce noise pollution, creating a more peaceful indoor environment. Condensation between glass panes. While condensation on the exterior of your windows is often normal, condensation between the glass panes indicates a broken seal. This can lead to moisture buildup, which not only affects your window's appearance but also their ability to insulate effectively. Replacing the windows is often the best solution to restore clarity and functionality. Outdated style or poor curb appeal. Your windows significantly impact your home's appearance. If they look outdated or no longer match your aesthetic preferences, upgrading to modern designs can enhance your home's curb appeal. In Houston's competitive real estate market, stylish, energy-efficient windows can also boost your property's value and attract potential buyers. Increased maintenance requirements. Do your windows require constant upkeep, such as repainting, caulking, or cleaning due to excessive dirt buildup or mold? Modern window materials like vinyl and composite are virtually maintenance-free and resistant to Houston's challenging weather conditions. Replacing your old windows with newer models can save you time and effort in maintenance. Presence of moisture, mold, or mildew. Houston's high humidity can encourage mold and mildew growth, especially around leaky or poorly sealed windows. If you notice black spots, discoloration, or a musty smell near your windows, it's a clear sign that moisture is seeping in. New windows with proper sealing and weatherproofing can prevent these issues. You've lived in the home for decades. If your home's windows are original and you've lived there for 20 years or more, they've likely reached the end of their lifespan. Technology has advanced significantly in recent decades, and today's energy-efficient windows offer superior insulation, durability, and style. Replacing old windows can improve your home's efficiency and modernize its look. Benefits of replacing your windows. Upgrading your windows comes with a host of benefits, including lower energy bills. Modern windows are designed to minimize heat transfer and improve insulation. Enhanced comfort. Better insulation means more consistent indoor temperatures. Improved home value. New windows are a strong selling point for buyers. Reduced noise. Insulated glass can significantly cut down on external noise. Final thoughts: Houston homeowners face unique challenges when it comes to windows due to the city's climate and urban environment. If you've noticed any of the signs above, it's time to consider a window replacement. Investing in high-quality, energy-efficient windows will not only improve your home's functionality but also increase its value and enhance your everyday comfort.